Hello everybody, Joojinho here. I'll be doing the first of probably many hurricane season predictions here. This is my first not prediction, but forecasting. This is the first thing that I want you all to look out. This is the official NOAA probabilities for the ENSO, which is used to determine La Nina, El Nino phases. And you can see here that downward trend here um, with El Nino starting to go up here by June, July, August, and July, August, September here, which is peak hurricane season already for full blown El Nino. Is the first thing that I want to show you before I show you the actual models. I expect to have a higher end hurricane season for this year. Start of a prediction, probably we'll get the better models as we go on. But yeah, uh, the NOAA already predicts a La Nina by June, July, August. So yeah, things are not looking great, and I'm going to explain to you why. This is the last sea surface temperature anomaly difference here. For the time being, the 19th of February, the 6Z. And yeah, we do have still a El Nino in place here, which is already weakening by right now. You can already see a few dots here of colder than average temperatures in the ocean. But yeah, still an El Nino already weaker, already into a moderate phase, and it will start to lose power as we go through. The thing that I want you to look close, the hurricanes start, and this is already really warm temperatures for February, especially for February. Hello everyone, Hanley Deadly Correction. The place that I wanted to name there was the MDR, the main developed region of hurricanes. Just a really quick update, I completely forgot the name. Bye! Normally, I'm going to go through 2005 and 2010, 2020 as well, which were some of the strongest hurricane seasons. Yeah, we had colder than average temperatures here, or maybe okay to a little higher temperatures here, maybe in 2020, maybe in 2005. Yeah, we already have much warmer than average temperatures here in the hurricane main producer here. Remember, I'm going to put it in while editing. And yeah, this is already the start of what's going to probably be a disaster of a hurricane season for today. A disaster in humanitarian proportions. Of course, it's way too early for us to predict if a hurricane will um, hit your home or not. But yeah, it's going to be a hurricane season to be watching out for. We expect a higher than the normal higher end hurricane season here, with probably multiple main storms, hurricanes as well, maybe major hurricanes will be also on the record. This could be honestly maybe a record. Of course, it will depend on other things, but we have a perfect scenario being drawn. Let's go to the models. Actually, before going to the models, I wanted to show this on the El Nino, on the ENSO here. And yeah, we already have cold and average temperatures here. This is the 7-day anomaly chart. And yeah, we have already little blobs here of colder than average temperatures here in the ENSO. Of course, this is going to not to be as significant. Okay, does not mean that it's going to be super already starts the La Nina phase as shown by that graph made by NOAA. But yeah, it's already a starting point. The waters are getting cold. This one is the sea surface temperature anomaly here. Once again, the hurricane main producer here, once again, which is the coast of Africa, really warmer than average temperatures. I wanted to show this again, just to show you the point. We have here temperatures that could be maybe more than 2.8 degrees higher than usual. Yeah, this is going to be a big problem for hurricane season. On a website that I normally don't use here because we are on severe weather days now, not hurricane season days, but I'll be using it from now on as we go into hurricane season. We are still in the forecast, but yeah, as we get into hurricane season, I will be using this site really constantly. This is the Tropical Tidbits, amazing website here, and I want you to look around this region right here. And as we go through here, this is for March here. El Nino has already lost some of its power. You can see already colder than average temperatures go through here on the coast here of Peru, for an example here of also Bolivia, no, but yeah. And as we go through, this is already April. We have already the start here of La Nina actually. We already have here a big blob here in the coast of Peru of colder than average temperatures here. And as we go through this for April, and as we get into May, we have already more than likely a full blown El Nino. Okay, colder than average temperatures here are already going through. The coast of Peru is really cold, and as we go through the months, let me actually. And as we go through the months, you just see the La Nina blowing. Look at the size of this big blob of cold air, and this is for around the time for the peak hurricane season. But we have here, for September 2024, we have here temperatures that are on 1.6, more maybe 2.5 degrees below than average. This could be a recipe for disaster. Okay, this could be a complete disaster for hurricane season because we have this colder than average temperatures here, and we thought actually for the last year I expected here when I made my predictions just for me. I still didn't have this YouTube channel, nor did I talk about weather in the United States. But yeah, when I first was looking at the models here, I saw the big El Nino that greatly compromised me, let me tell you. And when I saw that big, full blown El Nino here, I got to think that first of all, I'm completely screwed. Second of all, hurricane season will be below average because wind shear will be over the main points here, which are Gulf of Mexico, here, maybe near the hurricane producing region. And yeah, I expect it to be a low end hurricane season. But the waters in the Pacific, on the Pacific, no, sorry, on the Atlantic, were so warm that I was able to actually bump up the hurricane season to above average hurricane season of, if I'm not wrong, one or two category fives here with actually a category three, actually category four Idalia here, making that landfall as a category three in Florida. So yeah, honestly, hurricane season could be a full blown thing. It could be above, not only above average. I'm worried. I need to tell you, I'm worried about hurricane season because there is a recipe for disaster for this hurricane season. We have a full blown La Nina here, which will maybe start around like April, which was unexpected. Remember the probabilities chart there for here. This is the NOAA. It shows the El Nino started maybe around um, May, June, July. But already, you can see it. It shows it's starting already by April, which really worries me. We will have a full blown La Nina, really well developed, really strong La Nina, developed in the ocean, and yeah, warmer than average temperatures here on the Atlantic. So yeah, we could have some problems. Nothing will, pretty much at least as of right now, nothing looks to stop this from being a historical above average hurricane season. Of course, this will change. This is only the first forecast, but I'm just giving you a heads up to. Wow, I need to look out for a hurricane season. Of course, you cannot start preparing. If you start preparing on like food and all that, it will be already over by peak hurricane season. But yeah, y'all need to be looking out for y'all know that you could be risk like Florida, like um the Gulf of Mexico area. Y'all need to be looking out for some. You need to be looking out for some hurricanes for this year. Also, of course, we do have the severe weather threat, which could be pumped up by El Nino as well, La Nina actually, as we go through. So yeah, look out for severe weather, boys. It could be really interesting. Thank you for watching this video. I really thank you for supporting this channel, and hope to see you next time. The next video will more than likely be about a really good looking at it right now prominent severe weather probability here by the end of February. And I don't expect to make an update for today's severe weather in California, but maybe I do. Well, I need to see. Bye, y'all. Have a nice day.